pictures in the to discuss the how environmental pollution affects us. You know that in nowadays the population are increasing and then the woods are cutting for that, so forests are reduced and other effects are also environmental pollution also affects us in a human being. What is this? There are some pictures are given. A launch extracting sand, carrying forest fire, drying excess water, falling trees and forest. The population of the world is increasing all the time. You know that day to day the population of world is increased. That's why houses are being built in a large number, and that's why houses are also built in a large number. If the population increase, the houses are need there. Natural resources have to be used in very great quantity, and for this they can use the natural resources to build these houses. There are often using the methods listed below. These methods are harmful to the environment and lead to the pollution of air, water and soil, and also cause noise pollution. But they can cause this noise pollution. Digging of hills for carrying. You know that for carrying they can dig up these hills for carrying. Extracting sand from seashores and river beds. You know that from where the sands are come, they can extracting sand from the seashores and river beds, and this sand they can make their big holes. Extracting stone and earth from the ground, they can extracting stones and earth for stone and earth, they can make a dig hole in the ground. Drying out excessive amounts of groundwater. Drying out excessive amount of water, they can drying out more amount of water. Felling trees to clear land, they can fall the trees on a clear land. Filling up ponds, lakes, streams, rivers, creeks and low-lying areas to reclaim land. So all these factors are affect human beings. Because of growing unbranching land, which was previously being used for agriculture and similar other purposes, is now being used to build roads and to raise settlements. When this lead to shortage of agricultural land, forest land uses for agriculture, trees are called in a great number. So the day to day there is a reduce of forest. They can make large number of houses there. They can use the agriculture land for the build up roads and to raise the settlement. That's why there is a reducing of agriculture land. Forest land is used. Forest land is used for agriculture. Trees are felled in a great numbers and forests are reduced. The trees are felling in a very great number and the forests are reduced. If the forest is reduced, there is no rain. You know that the trees are useful for rain, coming rain. Energy is needed to produce construction material. Energy is needed to produce construction material. When there is construction material, there is energy. It is used on a very large scale to prepare bricks. And this energy is for preparing bricks from soil. How the bricks are made? Bricks are made from the soil, cement from limestone, glass from sand, and so on. Where does the energy come from? This energy कहाँ से आती है? It is produced using natural fuels like coal. So this energy comes from the fuel like coal, natural gas, or mineral oil. These natural fuels can be used only once, and these natural fuels can be used only once. They get consumed when we use them. Moreover, burning these fuels leads to air pollution, and this leads to air pollution. Because of this, the air pollution is there. It takes lakhs of years for these sources of energy to form in a nature. That's why it is necessary to bring into use other sources of energy. So then क्या होता है? There is the lack of natural resources. So that's why you can use solar energy. So for this they can make a solution that they can use a solar energy or wind energy, which are available in plenty. This energy are in more number, plenty of number, and which do not cause pollution because the use of this is not cause the pollution. So that's why they can make a solution that they can use the solar energy or wind energy. These are non-existable sources of energy. तो ये जो एनर्जी है वो कभी खत्म नहीं होती है, इसलिए ये एनर्जी दिन दिन ये एनर्जी का सोलर एनर्जी का यूज़ किया जा रहा है. All living things need shelter. So you know that all living thing, every living thing, animals and human beings live